Means, for example, if here you see there are names like Aves, Karthik, Omer, but these names are not sorted. For example, there should be A, then B and C in ascending form. If you want to do like this, so you should use the sort form. So to use the sort form, these click on this and then press Ctrl Shift down arrow and then go to sort and filter, and in sort you can see sort A to Z and sort Z to A. In this situation we want sort A to Z. Press on it and then you'll see expand the selection or continue with current selection. It shows you that you want only one column to sort, or you want to affect the all columns after sorting them. So we want to affect all columns, so we don't want only one column to sort, because if we do only one column on sort, so others data will be not on the same place. So okay, we sort it and then you'll see that all names are properly in ascending form, like A and then B, C, D. In this form you will see the all names. So like this way we do sort. But in other side, if someone says that we want to see only the employees of IT department, so what will you do? Only come to the column in which departments. Here is the wrong spelling, this column width was not properly adjusted. So come to the department column and then go to the sort and filter. After coming came here, click on the filter button, you will see the small one window button here that your filter has applied. So click on this. Now you'll see the all words here. So select, click on this button on select all. Now click on IT, because we want to see the IT's employees. So you will see here all employees are from IT department. For example, if you wanted to accounts and IT both employees, so click on this both and then you'll see the employees of IT and accountants. So like this way you can do the sort and filter in MS Excel in very simple and continue method. So if you want to remove these things, so just click on it and then clear filter from department. Here you see everything will be normal.